Hello everyone, my name is Jorge Pulgarin. I am a specialist in functional medicine. مرحبا السلام عليكم. اسمي Jorge أنا طبيب متخصص في الطب الوظيفي. And today I'm going to share with you the second part of food as fuel. Stay with me. According to the theory of relativity stated by Albert Einstein, the matter is neither created nor destroyed but rather transformed. I'm going to make an analogy and compare the cells of the human body to the engine of a car. In this case, the food that we eat will be converted into energy just as fuel will be converted into energy in a car engine. Both have the ability to transform one source of energy into another through a process called combustion, which requires three elements: an energy source that can be used as raw material, a source of heat, and finally the presence of oxygen. The fuel in the engine is transformed into mechanical energy measurable in RPMs. Inside the mitochondrion, chemical energy is produced in form of ATP molecules. In both cases, this energy is used to produce motion. Inside the engine, the explosion in the combustion chamber moves a group of pistons to generate the movement of the wheels. In the human body, electrical signals are generated from the nerves to the organs and to the muscles to generate a phenomenon known as action potential or cell membrane depolarization, which is the starting point for any cellular activation. So, what does the engine, fuel, and our food have in common? That they are both hydrocarbons. This means that their molecular structure is based on carbon and hydrogen atoms. These atoms have electrons that orbit their atomic nuclei and through which they can generate bonds between themselves in different patterns, and depending on this, their ability to generate a certain amount of energy. Focusing on the mitochondrion, a chemical process called the Krebs cycle takes place, which in turn produces heat, electrical potential, and as a remainder of the combustion, carbon dioxide is released. In this cycle, the hydrocarbon molecules break their bonds, generating hydrogenated compounds called NADH and FADH2. These two molecules have the potential to break their bonds, with the hydrogens carried by them, generating unpaired electrons. These electrons are delivered to the inner mitochondrial membrane, where a chain of electron-accepting molecules generates a gradient that pumps hydrogen initially towards the intermembranous space and then back to the mitochondrial matrix through special tunnels that, when moved by the flow of hydrogen throughout them, combine ADP and phosphorus and produces ATP molecules and also water. Finally, the ATP production capacity of the food represents how efficient it is as an energy source, and with this ability to pay the cell to perform a certain function in a certain moment. If you like this content, please give me a like and follow me. Thank you!